Hey lovely people, I'm back with another delicious recipe. This time it's Al-Baik's garlic sauce. Combine 1/3 cup of corn flour with 1 cup of cold water. Just give it a good mix until dissolved. Cook this corn flour mix on a low heat until a clear paste forms. Take your time and do not rush this step. In a food processor, blend 70 grams of this corn flour paste with 2 cloves of garlic and 3/4 cup of milk. Blend until smooth. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and blend again. The next part is like emulsifying a mayonnaise. We will slowly add 1 cup of vegetable oil to the blender in 3 parts. We just want to blend this until smooth. The mixture will thicken slightly and will be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. At this point, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and blend it again. The garlic sauce looks so thick and creamy. It will thicken a little more as it settles. You just want to pour this sauce into a serving dish and refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. And there you have it, Al-Baik's garlic sauce. Serve it with their famous chicken. I'll link that recipe in the description box. Thank you for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!